Using the stock market wisely, tips and advice for new investors. If you have been watching television, you have heard about the stock market. Whether you want to make short-term gains or invest for the long term, investments are a great idea for your life. Here are just a few smart tips to help your investments grow well for you. When the stock market takes a dip, do not distress. Instead, look at the fall as an opportunity to purchase stocks at bargain prices. Many smart investors have made fortunes this way, because the market will inevitably rise again. Being able to see past the doom and gloom can be very profitable. Be mindful of a stock's history, but do not count on it as a future guarantee. No matter how good a track record a stock might have in the record books, the future is unwritten. Stock prices are determined by estimations of company earnings in the future. Strong historical performance is a good indication, but even the greatest of businesses can slide. Many people who are just starting with stock market investments purchase mutual funds. Mutual funds are usually low-risk investments due to their diversification. The beauty of mutual funds is that you obtain a nice range of stocks, and you have a professional who is conducting all the research on the different companies in your investment portfolio. When considering company stocks to invest in, consider any past negative surprises. Similar to the idea that one pest is typically indicative of more pests in your home, one blemish on the company record typically indicates more in the future. Choose businesses with the best reputations to avoid losing money on your stocks. It doesn't matter if you want to invest long-term or short-term, investments are a good way to give yourself another source of income as time goes by. Incorporate the tips laid out in this video, and you will be on your way to increasing your investment income. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.